Doing about 4.2 knots. Just gone to windward now. Blast up. So I'm going into the breeze, and yeah, as you can see it up there, it's hitting the wind a bit too much. Shame. Yeah, not quite right. Not quite right. Anyway, doing the best I can under the situation. Beautiful day. I just wish the wind was just coming from that direction and not this direction, because that's where I'm going to, that direction. It's a little bit annoying. Anyway, be nice to have that northeasterly just come around a little bit. The sail needs some more wind in it. Well, that's still in the water, that hull. Anyway, I'm going, making way slowly. Very slow. About 4 knots. Got to get around that point. Well, all going well. Going well. I'll get there in about another hour, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Going well, Hugo. We've got some wind. We motored, and then we sailed, and then we motored, then we sailed, and oh man, now we got wind. Westerlies come up, and we actually can't sail. We're doing around about 5.5 knots. Doing okay. Yeah. Go out and have a look. Nice sailboat over there by the look of it. Let's see. Seems to be lots of boats coming. I've got a stand-up paddleboard. I've got a kayak. Perfect day. And whoa, Laurie, it's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I've just arrived. It's so pretty. Boats, islands. We've been sailing up. It's been beautiful. See it there. Doesn't get any better than this. Anyway, I have to hunt out, see where my mates are. It's just inside here. We're inside. Whoop. We might jibe, so I'm going to duck him back inside. We're starting to maneuver. I better do that. Got my GoPro. There. What a day. Absolutely beautiful. Well, I'm here, everybody, and I'm looking for the whole team. I'm expecting to see lots of little sailing dinghies, and I've found them in Lagoon Bay. I've phoned Chris. I can see them. They're here. That's them over there. Yep, that is them. I'll zoom in. There they are. There they are, right there. Aha! There they are. Got them. Got them. Yep, that's them. So here they are. Paul's out in deep water. And one song. I think he's having dinner. G'day, Paul. G'day. It's Ross.
God, have you come all that way on that?
Yeah.
How the hell are you?
Not bad. Not bad. You're looking very comfy there.
I am pretty comfy.
I'm going to come back. Here are the others. Oh, wow. Now that is what you call a boat. The famous Cavatina. Pathfinder. Peters, and he's got it all set up. Comfy inside. He's got this new boom. Gosh, that look, oh, this new mast. G'day, Peter.
G'day, Ross.
Good to see you. Where are you? Aha! Looking very comfortable there, buddy.
How long will it take you to get up?
Bounce. You're just erecting your tent, are you?
Yes. Getting ready for the night.
Wow. So you've come over from Winderhome
Yeah.
this morning. And you're pretty comfy in there. Have you had dinner?
Yep. Dinner's done.
Cool. There's your sleeping platform just here, and that's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, so those two boards stow along the transom there.
Oh, yeah. And now the tent's going up.
Yep.
And you see you've got your nice little stove down there. This is very compact. This is the system for the tent. Is it very waterproof?
Yeah, I think so.
It's pretty roomy. That Velcro on the back, and that's, yeah, that's impressive.
Straighten up and we're ready for business.
G'day, Chris.
Yeah.
Howdy. That is a sailing boat, everybody.
Well done. Don't take any photos of me with my shirt.
Don't worry. I've got the sunset, so you're silhouetted.
Oh, look at these mallets turning up and
Yeah, nice, eh?
all sorts.
I see they've all come to you tonight. Moon's up. What a perfect night. Just perfect. Nice and comfy back there. Laurie's just arrived in his nevy. Just put your torch on your nevy there. You know, have a look. Oh, you can see it, yeah. And the bow there, Laurie. Wow. Was it hard coming down?
No, easy, dead easy.
No problems.
No problems whatsoever.
There's a whole lot of boats here.
Yeah.
You can see that. Wow. It's just fantastic. What a night. Eat your heart out, everybody.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Here comes Carl in his dinghy. Look at that. His new Suzuki. Oh, lovely.
Cruising around in my dinghy.
Yeah, nice one.
Yeah.
See ya. See you, Carl.
Top of the morning.
Lagoon Bay. First time I've been here. Oh, it's stunning. Whoop. I better get out. Get this nose on the. Whoa. Put the nose down. Laurie's the skipper and here's his navvy. And we're here at Mahurangi. Oh, wow, am I so happy. So happy to be here. Welcome to Lagoon Bay.
Thank you. Give me an idea. I have a halyard I need to sort out.
Oh, you do the little job. I like your little rig there. It's awesome. Yep, it's working. See you out there. I'm on the navvy. Yay. This is feeling good, Laurie. Oh, this is great. We're going out to see all the boats. Oh, I don't think I could be on a better boat than this. There's my boat over there, but this is better.
Nice day for it. Oh!
Are you going in the Chihapua? No, I left my entry a bit late.
We might, we don't know.
I wouldn't be in here in the middle of it, Ross.
G'day!
Nice day for it.
Here she comes.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
You want to sort of head out and then come in with the fleet.
I'm going to the other side. I'm going right through.
Very stable.
Somebody said gin and tonics.
G&T.
Is it this one?
Oh yeah. Oh brother. Those fucking nuts dangling over the...
Oh, it's been a great day sailing, gentlemen.
And this is where hangover
And where's that whiting? It's somewhere around. Hey, oh,
Perfect.
oh, timing's perfect.
Oh wow! How do you do that? Whenever I step off, it goes up to my goalies.
He's timed it right.
Shit! How did you do that?
Be careful for what you wish for.
Yeah.
Because what I do, because I'm over at Algies,
Yeah.
He's heading back to his whiting, which is over there.
if I get there by this time,
I won't get the goalies there.
Nice.
fucking every time. Get my goalies in. And this guy just steps off. You know? And the
Yeah, heading back, Peter.
up to Dawson's.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it very far?
Nah, I don't know, about 20 or 30 minutes I think it took me to get down.
Oh yeah. Your Pathfinder looks great. But you're all wet. You pack your tent up and it's just so wet.
Oh, I tried to put my wet weather jacket on, and because I'm slightly damp, I couldn't get my damn hands down the sleeves. The inner lining was all, fuck it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Like your boat.
Yeah.
Pretty bleak, gloomy weather.
Yeah, it's supposed to blow up this afternoon, so
Yeah.
I'd be heading off if I were you guys.
Would you?
Yeah.
Well, I've heard, Paul was saying 35 knots this afternoon.
Yeah.
Heck.
It wasn't supposed to happen until tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got to go across to Wenderhome, so it's not far, but it is out in the
Yeah,
open a
I
bit.
thought about launching at Winderhome, but I got up there too late for the tide.
Yeah.
Mo,
Keep on.
I like your boat. It's bloody nice.
Oh, thanks. Oh, which boat are you talking about?
His new scallywag.
You're a scallywag. So you're heading back? Good to see you.
Yeah.
We're gonna meet up. Don't get lost out there, it's pretty gloomy.
Yeah, I know. Right, we'll catch up again, eh?
Yeah, good to see you, Peter.
Thanks for the weekend, Ross.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, mate. Checks in the mail.
See you, Laurie.
Yeah, mate.
Well, I'm just about to leave. Lots of boats. And I think I'm going to go back while the weather's good. I'm here on my boat. There's not much wind, but these boats are going back. Might as well sail back with them. These A-classes. There's some more up there too. Might as well come back, sail back towards Auckland with these guys. Brilliant. Oh, what pleasure. Pleasure in life.